American Metalcraft invites you to set the table for creativity. When it comes to dramatic food presentations, American Metalcraft tabletop and buffet supplies set the table with refreshing creativity. Take this tasting station for example. A shaferless buffet is possible using American Metalcraft's stainless steel griddle and mini cast iron pots and pans. The etched fuel guard provides functional flair. The seafood tower and trays add interesting height while saving valuable table space. Double wall hammered bowls keep cold foods properly chilled in elegant style. Mix in some porcelain sauce cups with porcelain and hammered stainless steel trays and you've got one attractive display, all from a single food service supplier. Let's move on to a New England-inspired seafood presentation. This scene really maximizes the use of American Metalcraft's line of individual serving pieces. Moving from left to right, galvanized pails with individual seafood servings in nets are wrapped in American Metalcraft food-safe paper. One of the pails sits on top of a hammered stainless steel riser that provides visual interest by staggering the height of the presentation. In the foreground, toasted appetizers rest in American Metalcraft square porcelain sauce cups presented in a black serving board. The interesting spikes with the garlic shrimp hanging on them, that's American Metalcraft's sterling silver tasting tree, a unique item that can also hold and serve dessert lollipops. To the right of the tasting tree, a stainless steel serving cup with a satin finish holds clams, again lined with American Metalcraft paper. Next up are square, rectangular, and round mini stainless steel fry baskets lined with newspaper print food-safe paper and filled with delectable fried calamari and shrimp. Mix in American Metalcraft's mini cast iron pots and casseroles that are great for heated individual items that go straight from oven to table. Place them on magnetized bamboo underliners that keep the pots in place and protect table surfaces. And last but not least, place ribbed sauce cups, or any one of the 60+ sauce cups that American Metalcraft has, around the table for a little grab and go. Wherever you go, whatever table you set, don't forget to include some American Metalcraft brushed satin stainless steel holders. Our company has more than 40 different card holders, signs, and clips to identify with style. And speaking of identifying with style, we hope you've identified more than a few of American Metalcraft's unique food service supplies that you'd like to incorporate into your next event. We've set the table for you to get really creative.